Guys, this is the Neiko 20 volts lithium ion impact wrench half-inch drive. I bought this because I want to take off my lug nuts out of my car without, struggling. I want that lug nuts out smooth, like butter. Easy like greasy lemon squeezy. So there's a latch, couple latch right there. Look, close it, open it. Easy like that. Oh, there is something in there. Let me get a knife. So I'm gonna cut this real quick. It's a zip tie. It's out. So let me put away the knife. They are sharp, so I don't want to get cut. Let me lay this thing down and look at this bad boy. You guys to have this. You guys to have it at home. You guys to have this at home. Okay, I got this at Amazon. The description is on the link down below. Look at this. There's like a Velcro that's holding down the impact wrench. Cordless, 20 volts, 3000 RPM. Okay, there's a charger right there in case you run out of battery. If your battery run out on your battery pack, you can just charge it. And this one right here is the impact socket. Look, it comes with different sizes. I think 20, 21 millimeter, 18, 19. And I like this case. It got its own case so you won't misplace it. Because I like losing stuff, I start out with 4, I end up with 1. So this one got its own case. It holds in place. There's a thing sticking out. Okay, so there's a cap. Let me try this out, see how it spins. We're gonna put this bad boy on test. So we got the lug nut socket. I think this is the one. Different sizes, find the one that is compatible, and I think that's too small. We're gonna go one up, a little bit bigger. I think this is the one that we're gonna use. Okay, it went in there easy. So let me get the cordless impact gun. Alright, let's put it to work.